So rub the rods. While you're rubbing the rods, tell them who you are. Don't go into much detail. For instance, the way y'all met, how you met. Don't go into much detail. Just, kind of leave it bland. How are you? Are you safe where you're at? Do you need help? Stuff, generic stuff.
Can she say her name or no name?
Yeah, she can say her name. And you need to let her know that you're here to help her. You're not going to hurt her. You're not going to change her in any way. We're not going to kick her out of her home and stuff like that, okay? Go right ahead.
Hi, Shirley Jane Rose. It's Nancy. I hope you're happy here.
Do you feel the pull of the rods?
Uh-huh.
That she's trying to communicate. So get the rods up to where she
I
can.
feel them vibrating.
They do. There's a lot of energy that goes through those things. Very good. See, she knew what we were going to do. Good job.
Shirley Jane, are you comfortable here? Is that why you stay?
You got to go over the rules, love, first before you start questions. Cross them for yes.
Oh, we got to start over.
Yeah,
Sorry.
still got to go over it.
Hi, Shirley Jane. I'm Nancy. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Not here to hurt you. I'll ask you yes or no questions. If the answer is yes, please cross them. If the answer is no, please turn them to the outside.
Spread them apart.
Spread them apart. We're not here to hurt you. Thank you for coming to visit with us tonight. We appreciate you. Shirley Jane, are you comfortable here? Is that why you stay? Shirley Jane, we share the same birthday. Do you see me when I put flowers at your grave on our birthday?
Maybe like you're palming the crystal on the bottom too, Nancy. Like hold just the little cylinders.
Okay.
Like see, there you go. That way they can.
Like this?
Yeah. Cause see, like if you palm, you hold the crystals and they can't.
They can't move.
Like I feel like I see them kind of like trying to vibrate, but like they weren't actually.
Okay.
There you
Do
go.
you understand about how I wasn't moving them, you weren't moving them, and the principle of the rods, to where on the sheet.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Thank you.
Shirley Jane, I'm holding them correctly now. Thank you for your patience. Are you comfortable here? Let me ask this again. We share a birthday, November 21st. Do you know that I put flowers at your grave on our birthday? Do you see me?
Indoor plumbing.
You might ask if it is even Shirley. It might be somebody else.
Okay. Is this Shirley here tonight or somebody else? Is somebody else here tonight besides Shirley Jane Rose?
If she's comfortable, if she's happy.
Shirley Jane, are you happy here? You're trying. Cross them. Are you happy here? Is that why you stay? Oh, she's trying to cross them.
Good job.
Oh, good job.
Now you're hooked. Thank you.
Thank you, Shirley Jane. I want to ask a question. Can you go straight? Can you straighten them out? Here we go. A little bit more. There we go. You're getting the hang of it. I'm not doing that.
What I do sometimes is ask them, can you show me so-and-so? And the first time Tony had, I think it was the first time you see me do it, they picked Tony out, just boom, just like that.
Oh.
And you can ask her to go straight, go back to neutral.
Shirley Jane, can you go back to neutral? Shirley Jane, can you go straight?
Just try it.
No, it's like jiggling or something.
Like that.
Well, when they do that and they don't respond like they should, sometimes I wonder if it's really who we're looking to talk to.
Can I address somebody else?
You sure can, anybody. Not me.
Jeff, is that you?
Oh.
Now go straight. Go straight, a little more. There you go. You can stop right there. Good job.
It's good.
Are you okay, love?
Yeah. Jeff, do you know we're looking after your little boy?
Yes. Nancy, I'm not trying to be rude, but I think you've had enough, honey.
Okay.
For one session. Tell them you're leaving.
I'm leaving,
Not in a bad way.
but thank you. Thank you for showing up. We'll take care of him.
They are powerful and they can. They,
Wowie, that made me teary-eyed.
they tell you if you could.
My brother-in-law just died on Monday.
And that's who you were talking to? Oh,
And
wow.
his little boy's 14, 15.
Oh, wow.
Hey, what do I say?
You, tell them who you are,
Hi, this is Nancy.
the directions of the rods.
I'm going to ask you some questions. Cross inward for yes, and push outward for no. We're not here to hurt you. We're just here to connect with you tonight. Jeff, is that you? Can you go back to center?
Neutral is what it said.
Can you go back to neutral? Did you know you were that sick?
Some hesitation.
Go back to neutral. I don't know what to ask. Do you know that the family is rallying around your little boy? Cross inward for yes, and push outward for no. Back to neutral. You passed last Monday. I'm so sorry I didn't get to see you over the weekend as we had planned. Was your passing peaceful? Did you pass in your sleep? Yes. Yes. Good. We're all relieved to know that. Okay. I think I'm good.
Okay. Close your session.
I'm going to close this session. Thank you for speaking with us tonight.
What do you think now? Lexi, you can have your buddy back.